Doesn't fit. You need help? Oh yeah, good job.
I'm a tiger.
You're a tiger. Ay, nako, yeah. Oh my god. It's so stretchy now. Oh, well done! Siya nagbihis. Oh, okay na? Perfect? Perfect! Well done, my love. Oh. Okay na. Oh, don't insert the whole thing. The top should be outside. It doesn't look good like that. Uy, don't insert the top. Just the singlet. Because it looks funny. See? Good job. Say good morning, people. Say good morning. Say good morning. No? Hello, people. We are done getting ready. Mag-grocery tayo today with Mama. Hindi sila pumunta ng MCQ kahapon. Nag-coast lang daw sila. So, we're going to coast today. To MCQ Supermarket sa Coventry. Morley. And, of course, we're gonna go with Mia. Daddy has work. Pumunta siya ng workshop. So, yeah. Our OOTD today is just the cords. Because our belly is growing. And, hindi na kasya yung mga pants ko. But, I have maternity leggings anyway. Pero, lagi na lang kasi ako naka-maternity leggings, guys. So, para maiba, cords tayo. 20 weeks and 3 days. Belly. Ayan. That's our outfit today. Nanay na nanay talaga tayo. So, maiba naman. Tinay ko yung hair ko. And our bangs is growing too. Kailangan na natin sila ikat, guys. Pero natatakot ako. Baka na naman maiksian ko ng bongga. But, yeah. We will see. Mia's ready na din. Alas na tayo. Hala, ang init. Uy, ang init sa car. Pero ang lamig sa loob ng bahay. Kailangan ko pa mag-heater kanina. Oh, spring is coming. You know, spring is coming, my love.
Mommy, is Mamila coming?
Yes, Mamila is going to grocery. That's why we're driving Mamila to the shop. Let's go. Di ko alam kung may bibilhin ako, guys. Kasi grocery kami ni Kuya last week.
Which shop are we going?
The MCQ Asian shop.
Did we went there before?
Yeah. That's where you buy candy. Yeah. Tawagan natin si Mama. Nandito na tayo. Mari ka sagwa. Bye-bye. Mamila's here. Where's Mamila? Mamila's coming. Hello, Mia. Good morning. Say hi, Mia.
Oh, that's it.
Ah.
Is it?
Ang sa, ano bala, tawag niya, ang sa chemist. Chemist. Meron sila silang pop-free balama pag magbayad ka sa, ano, $69 worth of baby products.
Baby product.
May pa-free sila. Kasi isagid ka bag na dako. So, ang nagbakal ko dito sa Ellenbook, sa chemist. Sold out. So, wala akong pabuka sa bundle of joy na tawag. Bundle of joy. May pa-free. Damo pala, nabutang ito sa bag for mommy and baby. Ano siya na, baby products. Kaya pwede man siya sa mga bagong panganak. May mga wipes ka gamay-gamay.
$69.
Oo, $69 lang. Galing palengke na sold out na. Hasta lang abi sila sa ano. September 4, September 2 na ta.
Ay, nag-start na gano'n. Kasi nga Facebook nga, nagawin kasi tingala ko ngayon.
August 22 sila nag-start. August 22. Puro sold out na. Tingnan nyo yung pa-outfit ni Mia. Oh, diba? You like this sandal? Hindi na yan kasha soon. Tingnan nyo. Where's Mamila? Mamila's in the seafood. Ayan. Nandyan sa loob. Mamila's getting some fish. Sabi niya, what did you say?
Mamila's in the seafood.
Oh, okay. And then, you don't want to go there. Why?
Stinky. Stinky fish. Smelly, smelly.
Stinky fish?
Smelly, smelly, smelly.
Oh my gosh.
Smelly, smelly.
You don't like the, the smell of the fish? Silly Mia. So, may na-takeaway na tayo dito sa Kabayan. Ayun yung Kabayan. Ayan. So, we have sinigang, fried chicken, siopaw, tsaka beef Paris. You done dancing? You're still dancing. Mia's here. Ito na yung nabili namin. They have mangosteen, $20. Hindi ko alam kung kung okay siya. Pero naman, soft naman. And ayan pa yung kay mama. Tayo original. Ito ba siya? Ito ba yun? Ito ba yung binibili ko, ma? Ay, bakit blurred. Ito yung binili ng kasi ni Vio. Pinatikman niya sa akin yung caramel, masarap. Tsaka yung mocha daw masarap. Diba, I like caramel. $5.19 din siya. Ito. Sige lang. Meron din silang 4-pack. Ayan, 4-pack. Dito kami sa Red Top. Pumili lang ng tinapay. Ito na yung lunch ko. Bukag manami nakag. I tried it before. No, I don't want.
Manami daw cakes yun, manami.
Oo, na-try ko na na.
Manami si Bibi.
Pero na ko siya nakabeses, nakabakal.
Tignan namin, nandun ako coconut sa sulod na namin siya.
Yeah, I always buy that. But now I like this one. And this burger. So, tatlo lang yung binili ko. Donut and the spicy one. And ito yung parang maliit na burger. No. Eat na. Mommy will buy something there and then we'll go to the mall. Mommy will sit here lang. Can I sit here?
No, I want to go to that shrine.
Ay! Sayang! The brown one? Yeah, that one. Move. Not yet. Move more. Okay. Press. That one's hard. Yeah, it's hard. Dito na tayo sa mall, Galleria. Mama is just checking some watch there. Cute-cute yung maliit, guys. Ayan na, tingnan nyo. Yung pa-square na maliit. That one. That one. Ang cute. Nakasale na nga siya eh. $4.99. Naging $3.49 na lang. Diba? Oh.
You say hi to Daddy Lo?
Give it to Daddy Lo in the shop.
Daddy Lo, I give you come.
Be careful ha. No, Dito kami sa shop ni Papa. Ayan. Duncar Automotives. Dito lang kami sa car. . Salita naman. Dito lang kami sa shop, guys. May kukunin si Ate Pearl. And si Mian doon pumasok. Kasi ibibigay niya yung food kay Papa. And then we're going home. Home time. Busog ako sa bread top na kinain ko kanina. I'm so full. Ang init sa labas. Ang init sa car kanina. Maybe I'll do laundry as well when I get home. So, yun yung init. Ay! All sunny this week! Perfect! Ay, sunny this week. Hindi pala. Ulan ng Wednesday and Thursday.
Wednesday may ano cloudy.
Yeah.
Kaya naman namin. Nakadaling na baka.
Yeah, but it's all sunny.
Check mo.
Kahapon, naglakad kami Sunday. And then I got so tired. So, I didn't wash the clothes. But yeah, 40% sa Wednesday yung rain. 60% Thursday. But yeah, because it's spring already. So, it's getting hot. Hotter and hotter and hotter. She's back! Did you give it to Daddy Lo? Huh?
Yeah, she gave it to Daddy.
Oh, that's good. What did Daddy Lo say? Oh, no, I told you no. No. Walang car natin ngayon. Everybody's here. We're going home na.
In fairness, it's not that cramped.
Ha?
In fairness, it's not that
Ang dara mo mapupuon si Mama. Hindi na nakaigot.
Dami dugutok na dati kami nagawa. Everything for me. Wait lang.
Ano lang na, nakutan car seat ni Mia. Ano niya, tanan niya, ano, space, nakaon.
Did you say hi, Mia? He's just a guy. And she's
Is Daddy Lo working?
Did you make the bread?
Yeah, did you... Is Daddy Lo working?
Senta na kagaling siya. Kaya na computer.
Magka-diet ganda.
Sabi ko, wala na binutungan. Plus na. Ito pa kayo Julia.
Kaya ako to biskof mo, pwede mo matungangan. Tulpugal na tong mga biskof. May biskof. Ang daw po to sa biskof.
Sila ka nang Joy?
Dari na, may cash man ko. Dari na.
Kasi kulang na.
Hindi man lang.
Ano yung order?
$2 mo lang frozen. Tapos,
Sunday
mo lang
menu, tatlo kabilo, $4.
Ay, sa mahal to ako.
Sunday for something ka lang.
Tilawang kang bago matamis ka na yun.
Cheeseburger.
Ako lang sa...
Kasi may cash.
21.85.
Ayun ka, bakal mo pa. Hamburger? Ang Sunday.
Si Mia chocolate sundae. Thank you.
Pagalingin ako nito.
Parang ka. Sige lang. Sige lang.
Hindi na, kagamay sila pero.
Ikaw yung binikaya ba eh?
Tempted. Gid ko joy tempted.
Tilawang ko, binata Paris kung
Kaya ano ka kay
nanami.
Mama eh?
Kaso
Kay
nag-diet
Mama.
din eh.
Ano?
Sa
Ano,
sa
baby?
diet nga diet. Pero hindi ko gusto magkaon sa ano
Ay, biskop?
Sa...
Oo, hindi mo na
Hindi, ko
naubos.
gusto magkaon hindi. Isang ano...
Tamis?
Hindi, isang fast food. Kinagkaon ko last time fast food.
Ay, hindi ka get.
Nakakaon na kamo sa chicken treat. Tumira sila naginahatag nga the fly. Ano na bala yung may
Para
papil
Para may less.
Oo.
Ay, chicken treat. Hindi, do red rooster. Ito yung namin.
Chicken treat. Tumira.
Dami tayo chicken sa tukag, di ba? Itong yung bakal
Oo,
ni
may
mami
nakita
mo.
ko da nga
Chicken.
chicken siya nga may sauce.
Oo na. Dami may chicken.
Doon
May
namin
mga magabakal sinabi.
Doon namin hindi sa sang inang damo. Gid nga sauce ng inang do. Doon nag-dip lang.
Nagbakal wala siyan dyan sa tuloy na steam.
Ang steam pala red roaster to yaman.
Red roaster din. Why sa kabakal sa steam da sa
Chicken
why
treat.
why
Yung fried lang sa balang nga kwan ng bala.
Oo, pwede puros man sila fried.
sila da. Sabi kami sina kabakal ka maski sa wala pa sa iban kami kabakal.
Huwag kami nga ba mga hulatit to? Wala.
Ah.
Dili ka lang steak.
Pukusugong ko si papa mo kay...
Wala.
Ma-drive-thru man lang kamo tamaho.
Pukusugong ko sa ganin malakat ko noon. Tamaran sa mag-drive. Hindi sa... ibalik na ni Papa mo yung subo mo sa iya. Or why, give me
Barbecue cheeseburger.
Hindi, hindi nang pwede. Hindi na.
Ito man manita ko.
Ano ka niya?
Lagi manita ko.
Dito na, tama na tanay ka.
Ano ni sa'yo?
Nanang tanay sa ano siya.
Yeah, later when we get home. Later.
Muna iyang ice cream
When
mo.
mommy drop us.
May takop yan.
We will get home because it's hard to eat in the car.
Kasi ang large hero, wala takot mo.
Ang large wala takot. Ang small may harap. Ubus ko rin lang takot.
Nami na nga. I-mix.
Gibutangan lang nila caramel tapos biscuit.
Oo, pero yung nga caramel, hindi sinasalted caramel.
Ang biscoff, di ba?
Hindi niya matamis
okay,
ang caramel
baby.
niya na
Ayun,
sa usual.
Bibi, abrihan ito ang
Isa man lang
garage.
ilasan. Ano to be?
Pero hindi na matamis. Hindi gid
Bibi,
siya
mo pa niyo.
matamis. Wala na namian ko.
Bibi, bitbitan na niyo. Pag ang imo diyo.
Ako na lang sa bitbit.
Paupo ni We're here. O diba? Ano
Diba,
ba
kita mo
tayo?
ito na nahidlaw ka sa isang banghouse.
Hungry jokes. Ano ma?
Ang bangros mo na.
Oras?
Pero Spanish, bangus ba lang? Gusto ko ito na bakan.
I'll bring this there.
Julia?
I'll bring this there. Bye.
Ay,
Ay, magaling
Dali.
madala. Sa likod magaling.
ay ka na ka.
Let's get the stuff at the back, guys. Dala ni mama nito. Hello, people. Kanina pa kami sa bahay. Nakapag-laundry na ako ng first load natin. So, nasa washing machine na siya, guys. Meron tayong 2 bag sa Asian shop ko, diba? Ito, free nila. Binigyan tayo ng free bag. Which is good. So, we have Milky's, my Maryland chicken, mangustin, nagmahal na siya, $19.95. And then my frappuccino na caramel. Yan, masarap yung caramel. Hindi ko pa natikman yung ibang flavor. Meron silang mocha, dulce, tapos coffee, ganun. And this is the G7 instant coffee for daddy for his Vietnamese coffee. And then our veggies. We have mint, we have bitter melon, we have basil here, we have this veggie. Ano tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko na. Sa English. Tawag namin dyan, ano tawag namin dyan? Nakalimutan ko na. Beetroot, kasi magsusoup tayo, lagyan natin ng beetroot. We have bean sprouts. Ay, nakalimutan ko to hiwain. Sabi ko, pahiwa ko dun. Kasi ang dami. Patula, guys. And snacks. Ano siya? Mocha. Wala silang chocolate eh. So, mocha to na 6O. Evaporated milk. Cabbage. So, yun lang. Very konti lang yung binili natin. And then, I have some food here. Filipino food. Pumunta tayo dun sa bayan na restaurant. So, may siopaw tayo. Ang sarap na siopaw nila dun, guys. So, ubus ko itong 3 talaga. Ako lang nakakaubos yan dito. We have pickled cucumber for daddy and his cousin. Kasi, kumakain sila nito. Ako hindi masyado. And then, ito yung tinake away natin. I have something beef pares. And then, the sinigang sa baba. And then, fried chicken for me. Hala, ulap na nga. So, yun lang. I'm just gonna put this away. And yeah, that's it.
Mommy!
Yes, baby.
Why is he hala?
Hala. Why?
I just say that.
Because I forgot too. Why did I say hala? feels so hot. Oh, very hot. Oh, hot. Sinigang for dinner. Hindi kasi ako makapagluto ng sinigang dito, guys. Ako lang yung kakain, tapos ang dami ilalagay. We have a fried chicken. Parang sarap na chicken, ah. Sana dinalawa ko. Kaya lang nag-order ako ng sinigang and beef patis. Si Daddy may laro siya kasi Monday today. Pero siyang full game. Mia! Come and eat na, baby. I've got your chicken. Come here, Pochi. We'll eat this. Oh, watch. Come on. Watch your food here.
That's what I'm taking.
Oh, hot.
Wait. I have a sock so I can touch her legs so to speak.
Go get your bunny sleeper. Remember the pink one?
No, it's so cold.
Yeah, the bunny sleeper over there.
I'm just going to try to reach the couch.
You're just gonna put your socks.
Got the couch to reach. I'm going to
Okay.
get a big special one. I'll show you.
Let's eat! Ogoy! Gusto ko to. Sinigang. Gusto ko yung may sabaw. We'll eat. Can I try your chicken? Sarap. Can I try your chicken? Your chicken tastes so good. Looks so good.
You can try some of my chicken. You can try some, Mommy.
I'm ready to try them. Yeah, it's good.
Yum.
You like?
I like your cooking.
I didn't cook it, baby. I bought it.
From Mama house.
Remember we went to the shop today? And there's a lady selling food in the restaurant. That's where I got it from.
I like your food you bought. I like your food you bought, Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, I like your food you bought.
Say, I like the food you bought. I like the food you bought for me.
Mommy, I want more.
Yeah, just get it. You can buy the chicken too. What are you doing with Pochi? Are you talking to Pochi?
Hey, tie your hand. Tie your hand.
Kita. Mag-shower na kami, guys.
You can go sleep with us.
I don't let Pochi sleep in the bed. You know why?
But I just want Pochi to sleep down the floor here.
Yeah, but he always go up in the bed, so I don't want him to be in the bed anymore.
Oh, I really want him because Pochi's so scared of that monsters downstairs.
Oh,
Pochi's
really?
so scared.
Aww,
That's
really?
why Pochi always follow us.
That's why Pochi follow us?
Go upstairs in the bed.
Oh.
It's okay, Pochi.
You're putting
We
him
can
to
save
sleep.
You.
You're gonna save him from the monster.
Yeah. You can still go up here.
Yung dalawa nagtutoothbrush pa guys. Nasa toilet. Ayan, sa bathroom. Alam niyo ginawa? Kumain pa ulit si Mia. Dumating si Daddy. Tapos nag-ready si Daddy ng dinner. And now, they're brushing their teeth. Kasi kumain ang bata. Kumain siya ng mangustin tsaka dinner. Did she eat noodles too? Kaya silang dalawa.
No, you can still. You can.
What did you eat downstairs? Oh. Tulog na siya agad. Are you sleeping?
Did you tell mommy how good daddy's cooking was? She said, Daddy, I really like your cooking.
The cooking is delicious.
And she
Best
told me,
daddy in the
she
world.
told me that as well when we had dinner. Oh, she's sleeping. Oh, 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 oh. What did you eat, noodles? So, nagluto si Daddy nga and kumain siya sabay kay Daddy. Tapos nag-fruits pa siya, mangustin. Parang hindi kumain ng dinner, ha? And now she has to brush her teeth. Oh, say good night to people. Good night.
Don't disturb me
Don't disturb you. Okay.
with your camera.
Okay. Tomorrow you have school. Okay?
Next is spelling, no gymnastics.
That's right. But that's on Friday. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
We are in the grand final.
Did you win?
Both of our teams are in the grand final.
Oh, that's good. The district, was it 2 and 3?
This week,
District, was it 2 and 3? Wow.
matches too. The three meant to play tomorrow, but then they postponed it to next week. Grand final. You want to come? It's live stream.
Live stream.